My name is Rose Mateen, and I'm a senior at Coronado High School, and I will be attending USC in the fall for the class of 2027. I've been attending Excel since the end of my sophomore year and the beginning of my junior year, so that summer in between I was working on ACT, SAT preparation, and then for the majority of my junior year as well. And then also moving into my senior year, I transitioned into more of college counseling. I learned a lot of test strategies, but most importantly, it was a lot of focusing on my extracurriculars and really honing in on what was important to my application and really putting my time and energy into those and prioritizing that. All of my tutors at Excel were very friendly and also very professional. I felt like I could come to them with questions at any time, and I just really benefited from their guidance and advice. I love this tight-knit community, and I also just love the students and all of the tutors. They're all very helpful and just have this amazing mentor aspect about them that I think we all kind of get a lot of help and guidance from. The college counseling process, I think, was very smooth coming to Excel. It is usually a rocky process without any guidance, but coming to Excel was very helpful, just especially being able to look over my essays. I had drafted a lot, so it was very helpful being able to work one-on-one with a guidance counselor and being able to pick which ones kind of fitted my application the best. Right, so I had sat down with my guidance counselor with 3 different ideas about what I wanted to do with my essay, and it was very nice just being able to sit down and create a medley of the three ideas that I wanted to take my personal essay into, and I think it exemplified my personality and my application the best. My best advice would be to get an early start. I started brainstorming and drafting my essays and kind of the direction I wanted to take them into as early as August. So have those ideas solidified just so when you go into the college admissions process, you're not scrambling towards the end and feel a lot of pressure. Yeah, so I plan to major in psychology and neuroscience, but I'm also looking into the pre-med field and considering a minor in business. Yes, so I'm looking into a lot of clubs at the moment, but I haven't finalized which ones I'll be applying to as of yet. But I know going into USC, I already worked previously in the Brain and Creativity Institute, so I have a lot of background in research, so I hope to continue that in my undergraduate years.